What's up everybody? Today we are reviewing STIX, which is a really cool water-based bonding primer. It basically can stick to almost anything with fairly low odor, so there's definitely some advantages. It's easy to use, very low odor, really good for DIY-ers, but I'm also going to point out a couple things that are not my favorite, but they're definitely really good product for DIY-ers, but I'll show you a couple things I don't like. Come on with me. As you can see, we're spraying it out on wood right here. This is just your typical varnished wood. This was an oil-based varnish that was on here. We have scuff sanded it and cleaned it and then applied the water-based bonding primer right to it. It sticks like a charm. It definitely adheres. However, I will show you a couple things over here that we don't love about it. Is it's not the best for filling in wood grain. Some of your oil-based primers or shellacs are gonna fill in the grain a lot better. And then the other thing is we may have a couple spots like we do right here where we have a little bit of the tannin coming through, which means that you might have a little bit of that yellowing coming through, which you won't have at all with an oil-based primer. So if you're a DIY-er, I really recommend something like STIX. It will stick to almost anything. It is very easy to use, whether you're spraying or brushing, and it also has very low odor compared to an oil base or maybe a shellac or something like that. However, it's not going to fill in the wood grain as well, and you may have some issues with some tanning coming through. I hope that helps. Here's our review of STIX Primer.